Relax your legs.
Come on.
When we get ready to go, you're gonna grab your harness, head back, feet underneath the foot with the knees. And what you gonna do? Where are you from? And are you nervous today?
No.
That was very good. Let's do it, man. You need something? Let's go.
All right, tell me your name. Where are you from, man?
Hunter Porter from Bowling Green, Kentucky.
And what are you here doing today?
Skydiving.
Out of a perfectly good airplane. Are you crazy?
Always.
Special occasion or just on your bucket list, man?
Technically, it supposed to happen last month, but
Okay.
The cold weather came in, so we had to reschedule.
All right, very cool.
For
Well, you
my
picked a
birthday.
really good day. Awesome. Happy belated. You just remember to smile at me. We're going to have some fun today, okay?
All right.
Give me 5, dude. Woohoo! All right, my man. Here we go. Woohoo!